Hi everyone, here we've got a Poco X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how to turn off the shutter sound in the camera app on this device. So if you're not the biggest fan of this feature, then you're in the best place. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let me check if I've got this feature applied. So let me tap on the shutter button. And I'm not really sure if you can hear it, but trust me, I've got this characteristic clicking sound after tapping the shutter button, so it means that I've got this option applied. In order to turn it off, we have to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and here we have to tap on the settings, so let's tap on it. Right now we have to scroll down in order to find the general settings, and on the third position we've got shutter sound option. Right now it is obviously applied and activated, so in order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher here. After getting back, we can check, and trust me, after touching the shutter button, I actually cannot hear anything, so it means that we just successfully turned off the shutter sound. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off camera shutter sound in your Poco X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.